I'm here to make a review for you guys. This is the D7 SMART Diagnosis. This is the new, one of the newest XTOOL tools to be released for 2021. This is the 2021 version. So basically, just lift these up like so. Just lift this, and then just push this down, and then this should lift up. Okay, so what you're gonna get is the booklet inside, showing you guys the certification, the serial number for it. That's what you'll enter on the tablet. It's going to come in this plastic casing. Then it's going to come with these attachments for the charger. This is for the Euro and this is for the American. Okay. Then we have the OBD2 16. This is 16 pin. And we have the USB here. And then this is the connector that connects to the tablet. So I'm going to take the tablet out the case. Show you guys it's really small. It's really nice. It's a really nice tablet. It's P700. Okay. This is the connector port to connect this. Then we have the USB to charge it, and then we have the power button, which you just hold down. You hold down the power button, it'll boot on. This is how it powers on. So this tool, you can do regular keys and wireless keys. It's like the E400 Easy 400 Pro, the X2 one. This is the newest version to that one. So basically, this is the newest software. This is the newest one. So then we have updates where you can go to updates, special functions where you can go to special functions, key programming, electronic park and brake, throttle match, disable transportation, steering angle sensor, diesel particular, injector coding, maintenance, reset. So this one has a lot of options: window reset, air suspension, crankshaft resync, cylinder, gearbox, airbag sensor management, and tire lift. So it has a lot of special functions. Then they have the settings where you can go to the language, all this information about it. Then we have the updates where you can go to updates, where you can click on updates. It tells you when they release the update, 9/4 at 6/11. Okay, then it has for this one, for the OBD2. So these are all updates for it that it has that I haven't updated yet, but I'm going to do some of them. I'm not going to do all the brands because some of the companies we don't have in the United States, and some of these are Asian brands, like Chinese brands. So, I'm not going to use all of them. So then we have diagnosis. Then we got remote. This is where you can control this from your cell phone or tablet. You can connect to it. Just give them that number, and they can connect to the tablet and be able to program from a distance. Then report is like when you do a car, you scan it or whatever, you can save it to the computer system, and then you just click on report, and then it will show you the codes for the device from before. So basically, when you go to special function, that's what's there. Then you go to diagnosis. Diagnosis takes you to different options. So we have the regular VIN. Okay, then we got Europe. They're like organizing the cars. Then we got America. Then we have Asia. We have China, and then we have Australia. So they actually have Australian vehicles. What this triangle here means that there's a download update for it. That's what those triangles mean. Okay, just letting you guys know. And then the PDF is like showing you guys like what cars that it works on, like showing you guys exactly which models and different things like that. Okay, just explaining that to you guys. And then if you guys want, you can search a company. If you're looking for it and you can't find it and you're looking for BMW, just hit go. And then it says key programming and diagnosis. So this one would be to scan the systems, and then this one would be to program a key. Okay. Okay, and then we have auto scan, where it would automatically just scan the car when it's connected to the vehicle, or automatically just scan it, and it'll be good to go. But I know a lot of people want to know, does this do a lot? And as you guys can see, it moves pretty quickly. It can do regular keys and wireless keys. I'm gonna show you guys the options real quick, so you guys can do that. Let me just back out of this because it's trying to scan a car, but it's not connected. So just give me a second. So then we have snapshots. We'll snapshot. Then this is the volume, to bring the volume down. This is to go back. Then we have this that opens up the screen here. Just side swipe to swipe it off. Then this is the volume up. This is for Bluetooth. And then this is for screen record. You can hit this button and you can record the screen. And that's about it. So now I'm going to go to diagnosis, special function. I'm going to go to key programming. Agreed. There's a disclaimer here saying that they're not responsible if anything goes wrong with it. Okay, so then we have key programming, and then we have everything here. Kia, Suzuki, Benz, BMW, GM, Dodge, a couple Chinese brands here, Bentley, Mazda, Lexus. Let me see. ACURA. So I'm going to go to ACURA. I don't go by vehicle, I go by type with this one. Then you just hit automatically, and it automatically connects to the system. See, so it can do smart keys also for the Acuras, the Hondas, and other makes and models. So we have the 1 button, 2 button, and 3 button. Okay. Like I said, when you go through the options and you click on, if you go to that and you click on 2 button, if when it tries to connect and it doesn't connect, that means that it's the type 3 system. That's about it. Then it, you know, has the remote programming for like the, what is this for? I think the Honda Pilots and stuff like that. After, I think, 2010, you have to use this device in order to be able to program the fobs and stuff like that. And that's about it. It's a great tool, works really fast, connects to the car really quickly. The price is great. It's $460 something. It's cheaper than the Autel MK808, and it works great. And this is the newest one with the newest software, and I think this one has software upgrades for, I think, over 3 years free. So this is a no-brainer. I'm gonna leave a link down in the video's description if you guys are interested. And have a good day, y'all. Peace. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment.